But now, a very important moment. A big upgrade on the Mini.
Choose your fighter. LAKEY inspired.
Finally, I put Nitro on the Mini. I will explain at the end why I did another service and replaced some components that visually looks good.
Can you look to me in darkness when there's no more light that you can see? I'll take us back to times when lives were similar and times that all seemed easier. Don't be afraid, I'll be the one to guide you through this endless maze. Don't look so sad, your crying eyes won't dry. You've gotta drive with both headlights so we can see the world and we'll run away together like come close to me. I whisper in your ear the things that we could be. I'll drown us in the purple drapes that you were clothed in. We can live like royalty. I'll sing to you like a radio that's held beneath your window. Don't look so sad, your crying eyes won't dry. You've gotta drive with both headlights so we can see the world and we'll run away together like
So I will try say why I do that, why I change good parts. For example, the brakes, the brake pads, it's okay, it's not necessary to change, but in the end I change. Why? Because the noise. They made so noise when I brake. I don't know why. I think it's because in the last big maintenance, when I changed the ball joints, when I changed the rod ends, etc. Well, I think when I change that things, I think I touch in the brake discs with the grease or oil. I'm not sure. And the noise, it's so big. Fucking hell. I washed the brakes 3-4 times. Helps a little, just some miles, but come back again. So I buy a new ones and put that. But I see now after some miles, more miles, the noise is coming back. I think it's because the rubber in the pot joints, it's not fit properly. But I think I don't have time to fix that now, that it's my problem now. Another thing, it's the oil. Why I changed the oil? I don't made 200 miles with this oil, but I change why. I use mini spares oil, and honestly I don't like. My car doesn't like that oil. I don't know if it's too cheap or not, but it's shit. My car doesn't like that oil. Why? The gears scratch every time. Not every time, but when the RPM it's superior 3000, scratch the gears. I don't know why. I feel it's the oil. I change. I put the best oil in the market for me. When the best oils it's Castrol. That's why I used Castrol to see if I see any difference. And yeah, I see the difference. And since I will change the oil, I decided change the oil plug too, because I see one guy in YouTube using this not this oil plug, a different one, but this type with the very strong magnet. And what he say makes sense, because the little feelings of metal inside the engine with a weak magnet doesn't make any difference. It's the truth. With a very strong magnet, I believe it's gonna be different. I believe in the next time I will change the oil, I will see that. But I believe in that, because you see the difference. The difference is so big. The big plate I use with the magnet, it's almost 1 kilo. It's a very big plate, and the magnet is like glue. Pa! That's why I believe in the next time when I change the oil, maybe in the next 2 months, because next month you will see a big surprise. I have an important next 2 months for me and for this car. It's 2 big months for me and my Mini. That's why I want the car perfect or almost perfect. And that valve in the cooling, it's always leaking. I don't know why, honestly. I don't know why. It's new from Mini Spares, but always leaking. I speak with the guys send me another, but continue leaking. I don't know why. It's not from the pipes, it's from the valve. I don't know why. And yeah, I bought the title and the thumbnail. Yeah, it's clickbait, but honestly I put Nitro anyway. It's a different type of Nitro, but it's Nitro. I don't know. It's a Nitro. Says there, it's Nitro. Look, saying here, it's Nitro. So it's that. Pay attention in the channel, because in the next 2 months it's a very big important. You will see. If you want help the project, a channel, passing my website, see my products, and